everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to see time spent on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. You can watch how much time you spent on Instagram because it could be harmful to your health and vision. Do you want to know exactly how much time you spent on Instagram? You can view your average daily Instagram users' time on Instagram over the previous 7 days. The Instagram app now includes a new feature that displays how much time you spent exploring. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the 3-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Your Activity. On Your Activity page, tap on Time Spent. Here you can see time on Instagram. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to see time spent on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.